Hey everybody, it's Hannah at the Doodlebug in Jasper, Indiana. And as promised yesterday, I wanted to show you, getting my camera here, I was trying to flip the screen the other way. So I apologize that it didn't like my other orientation. But I want to show you the Glimmer Live kits. So what is Glimmer Live? Grab this right here. All right, so Glimmer Live is a workshop that is being put on by Spellbinders, and then stores across the country are either just doing kits and you watch it at home at your leisure, or in-store options as well. We are doing an in-store option, but we are also sending kits to your home in case you cannot make it in here with us to do like the viewing party and play along with us. You are going to get a class kit. There is an add-on kit, but let's talk just a little bit about the workshop first of all. So it's going to be on May 13th, which is next Saturday. All right. And it's going to be at 9 a.m. Pacific time, which is 12 Eastern. So here in the store, we are having our class, our viewing class at 12 Eastern time. Do you have to be here to participate? No. Do you have to be on live to participate? No. Will it be recorded? Yes. Can you go back and watch it over and over? Yes. So whether you just want to join the class and play along, whether you want to join the class and just watch and then play later, or if you're busy next Saturday and it just does not work for you and you want to take the class, say a month from now, all of that is going to work because it is going to be recorded. You will be able to watch it at a later date as well. So whether you can come here with us or not, really, and if you can come here with us, again, you can always watch it again over and over at a later date because it is going to be recorded. I believe it's going to be a YouTube class. There is a Facebook group set up for questions and things like that right now, but I think the actual video will be aired on YouTube, so you can always access it on there. All right, here's a little picture representation of what you're going to get in the kit as well as the add-on, but I have actual kits in my hands. So whenever you get your kit, this is the class kit. I want to show you everything you're going to get in that class kit. First of all, you're going to get 3 rolls of foil. You're going to get a satin rose gold, a blush, and a moon dust. So you've got 3 rolls of full-size foil right there. You're going to get a brand new. That is one thing too I want you to understand. Everything in the kit as far as plates and dies is all brand new. So you won't have it in your stash because again, with stuff like this, oh man, it would really be a bummer if you already had this and now you got another one in the kit. So they put brand new product in here. So it's not going to be anything you already have at home in your stash. So you're going to get a solid plate in your class kit. This is called Hexi Gem. You're going to get what's called Hexi Gem blooms. So you're going to have a foiling plate and a cutting die. So you're going to get those in your class kit. You're going to get some rhinestones. You may have blue rhinestones, but again, this is like a consumable, so that's not a big deal. Brand new, again, sentiments and die to match. These are Hexi Gem sentiments. So you can see here's all your sentiments you're going to foil, and then they will line up perfectly to where you can cut them all apart. Then an essential die, Hexi Gems. You get that in there. And then other things you're going to get in your pack are going to be papers. Now, to me, this was a big game changer with foiling. Spellbinders sells a paper that is made specifically for your heat foiling, your glimmer foiling. You're going to get some cardstock in here, beautiful different cardstocks. You've got some of their great colored cardstocks. You've got envelopes. I know we're going to be foiling on envelopes as well. You've got ribbon. We're going to be foiling on ribbon in the class. And then paper-wise, you've got some of their specialty glimmer paper in here. And whenever you get it and you feel it, you're going to tell that it feels different than regular paper. It has plastics embedded in it, and that is why whenever you are glimmering, that is why the foil does so well, kind of melting on to the paper, if you want to think of it that way, because there's plastics in here, plastics in this, and they just like each other. So whenever you get this, you've got 4 glimmer pieces and then or 5 glimmer pieces and then a regular piece. You're going to be able to feel the difference between those as well. And I think if you've done some glimmering before and you maybe haven't had great results, I think you're going to find whenever you use the glimmer paper that that's a game changer. So that is the basic class kit. Those are $99 for the kit. If you want to play along with us in the store, that's going to be $110 here in the store. All right. Also, what you're going to have in here, you've got a little work booklet in here. It's going to talk a little bit about what you're getting in the kit. It also is going to have here is information for logging into your class, where class is going to be, the Facebook group. It's also got some fun little how-tos and add-ons talking about some things, some cute little ideas in here. It's got the different color of foils in here and then some glimmer extras. And I know that they're going to be talking about a lot of this stuff in class and using this stuff in class. So if you are taking class or you're taking it at home, things you're going to want to have out is definitely going to be, you can try your other tapes as well for holding your dies. The Best Ever Craft tape works really well with the foil because you're going to be learning what's called a hinging technique, which is really, really cool because you're going to be doing some double foiling. They're also using the quick trimmer in there. Quick trimmer is great for being able to cut your foil easily, quickly, and not waste or get these horrible jaggedy ends because you run it through your scissors and you end up making a line that looks like this. All right, so that is all, and then you get a little teaser of some new stuff coming. So that little booklet is also in your basic kit. So for those of you that ordered a basic kit from us, your kits are all in the mail if you're not taking it here with me. If you're taking it here with me, I saved you the shipping and your kit is here for you. But for those of you that ordered a kit and it's going to arrive at your doorstep, make sure you open this up. Get logged in to that Facebook page. There's a couple little bitty things you're going to do as homework. It's nothing crazy. It's basically cutting some of your paper apart is all you need to do. And I will tell you too, if you haven't gotten your Glimmer machine out of the box, you may want to get it out and just become a little familiar with it. You know, turning it on, where's the on switch, the timer button, little things like that. Okay, so that is your basic class kit. Right now, we are sold out of those kits, but in true Hannah fashion, I have more already on the way. So if you would like to get a kit, whether you can make it into our viewing party in the store or not, but if you would like a kit, please let me know. And then that way, as my new kits arrive, we will get one of those held for you, and then we'll get it shipped right out. Now, again, unless you are going to for sure be watching at home on the 13th at noon, if you don't need your kit, right away, don't panic. So if it takes you, a few days to decide if you want the kit or not, and it doesn't arrive, in time because of that, no worries. It's going to be recorded for you at a later date. All right, so there is the regular kit. There's also an add-on kit that you can do. Again, all brand new products. I'm going to show you that as well. All right, here's everything you're going to get in your add-on kit. Now, they'll be using some of this in the class, but this will not be a huge focus in the class since not everyone's going to have it. But you're going to have so many ideas and things like that, and you're just going to love the kit regardless. So this is a new little series they're doing, different sentiments for cards. In the kit, you've got little card, big hello, a glimmer plate there. I think that is so cute. You've got a Hello Blooms die. So it's going to cut out this big bloom, also the word hello, and then the shadow around it. Let's do this next, not next, but in a minute. You've got a beautiful 3D embossing folder, mandala blooms. I love this one. Look at the detail on that. Hopefully you guys can see the detail. If I turn it, there we go. I think you can see it there. So there's the detail on that one. And again, this is a brand new one. And then next thing you've got in here, this is the Hello Blooms layering stencil. Look at that. Is that not awesome? So once you stencil it, that's when this die is going to come in to cut out around it. All right. So fun there. And this is, I think, what I'm most excited about. Check this out. Brand new. It is a glimmering alphabet. So you're going to glimmer the alphabet and then you can cut it out. How cool is that? And then to take it up one more step, you can also stencil those letters as well. So that way those little pieces inside right there, you can color those. So you've got it glimmered and then you can color it and cut it out. So excited about this alphabet. No one's done a Glimmer alphabet yet. So this is going to be really, really cool. You know, think like Christmas cards, you can customize them. Birthday cards, you can do a happy birthday. You can do the recipient's name. So much fun with this one. This one's going to be a fun one. So that is the bonus add-on one. The add-on kit is $85. So that's how much your add-on kit is. And again, you don't need to have this one for the class. Okay, so this is an add-on. So I would say probably about 75% of everybody got the add-on kit just because of the value in the bundle. So your Glimmer kit alone has a retail value of over $150, and it's, like I said, just the kit itself is $99. If you're doing it in class, $110 with us, just for the add-on class. We'll have some extra little goodies here for you that day too. And then the add-on kit is $85, but it has a value of $100. So you're getting a good little discount, little chunk off with the bundle deal on these. So, all right. Well, I think that's kind of it, unless I have any questions from anybody on here. But I did just want to show you what all came in the Glimmer kits. As far as hardware, what do you need? Well, you are going to need that day to have your die cutting machine. Whether you are using Spellbinder's Platinum 6 machine, or say like a Big Shot machine, you're going to need that day. And then you're also going to need your Glimmer machine. Some people have asked me, I've got a Glimmer machine, but it's not Spellbinders. So if you have like the Go Press and Foil, yeah, use that. You know, I think that each time a newer version of a machine is made, there are improvements made. So I will tell you that the newest Glimmer machine is better than the old Go Press and Foil, but it's just because it's newer and they've improved. So you work out kinks. What did we like about this one? What did we not like about this one? So there's always improvements that are made, but that does not mean that your Go Press and Foil is not going to work for this class. So just a little tidbit there in case you don't have the Spellbinders Glimmer machine. Yes, you totally can use Spellbinders plates in it, all that good stuff. Okay, so all right, that is really all that I had for you. I just wanted to jump on really quick and show you what all came in your Glimmer kit since we just got them in. Again, if you ordered one from us, first of all, thank you very much. We appreciate your business on that. And your kits are all, I think the last kit got paid for yesterday afternoon, so it's going out today in the mail. So all of them are out the door. If you want a kit and an add-on, you've got it, Miss Sarah, and you won't be able to do it on the 13th. No rush. Thank you. That's exactly what I need. I appreciate that. So then if you are picking your kit up the day of class, no worries. It is here for you. So again, if you have any questions, you can post them here. You can always give us a call as well at 812-482-4949. But I do have more kits coming. So go ahead and comment here, or you can even go onto our website. They're on the website as well. And our website is www.thedoodlebuginc.com. All right, Gretchen, I've got you for that too. I will get you down. And then Gretchen, just let me know if you are going to be doing the class on the 13th or if you're a no rush girl. And the reason why I'm asking that is just in case the couple that I have, the few extra I have coming in my next order would sell out. Who needs them for class, and who could I get to maybe on the 16th or 17th if I had to? That's all I'm wondering. So you're a no rush girl. Awesome. I love that. Love the no rush girls. I'm a no rush girl too. So and I get it too. It's a Saturday afternoon. Not the most convenient time for some of us. But that's what worked for them. And honestly, it doesn't matter because it's going to be recorded. And a lot of times, friends, when I have a virtual class like that, I sit there and I watch the first time. I may work a little bit with them, but I just like to spectate, if that even makes sense, just to kind of absorb, take some notes, and then that way it's less mess up on my part. So that's just how my brain works. It's almost like I need to double learn it to get really comfortable and familiar with it. So, all right, everybody. Well, thank you so much. We will be on hopefully later today showing you new good stuff, but I did want to jump on and just show you guys what all was in the kits since we had been talking about them, advertising them for a couple months now. But now that I've actually got kits in hand, I wanted to show you everything that was in them. So you guys have an amazing rest of your day. Hopefully I'll see you this afternoon. And if not, make it a great weekend, friends. Take care now. Bye.